Hey guys, hey, it's Bob. Hey, I got a little project here. I just wanted to do a quick video on. What it is a zinc plating setup. And I'll just go over it briefly because if you want to know how to set it up, there's about 10,000 tutorials on YouTube to tell you how to do it. But basically, you start with muriatic acid. That's what's in this bath. That's muriatic acid and distilled water. Okay, and then the next thing is, this is just distilled water. When you take it out of the muriatic acid bath, you clean it with distilled water, and then we put it into the zinc plating thing. Now I've got this one set up with a little air pump. You can see the air bubbles. It also has a heater in there, and what the air pump does, it makes keeps the water circulating and makes the plating process faster. And of course, the heat does the same thing. What you see there with the alligator clips on it, that's the anodes, and then the cathodes are the what's hanging off the rod right here. I'll just pull one out for you real quick. So what it's doing, it's just it's hooked up. See, we've got positive here, and then this we got a positive coming from a little charger coming here. Then we put this wire on it to just make sure both the anodes are getting charged positively, and then we got a negative lead going to this, and then all that's conducted down here and through the copper wire into the bath and that sort of thing. Here's another one though that I just started not too long ago. This is a brake pedal, and you can see, you can see the little bubbles coming off of this. Now this one I don't have set up with the air pump or the heat thing, so occasionally I'll stir this up a little bit. I'm stirring it right now, and what it does, it just circulates the water and makes it plate faster. This is our anodes over here. These are copper, I guess they're copper zinc. I bought them in a kit. Same thing here. I'll give you another little video after I've taken these things out and whatever I got to do. I think I got to polish them up a little bit to make them really look good. We're doing all this because we have this bike over here. It's a Husky. It's a 79, well, it's an 80 Husky that we're in a process of kind of restoring. This isn't going to be a concours type restoration or anything like that, but it is going. We want the bike to be really looking nice and that sort of thing. So we're in a process of putting this thing together. We've got a new seat cover, new seat, new fenders. We've taken the frame off and painted it, taken everything apart. We painted all the black things that were black on the thing. So we're kind of getting it together. Roger is helping on this, and he comes in once or twice a week when he's not busy at home taking care of the stupid horses he has. Excuse me, Roger. They're not stupid. They're just dumb. But anyway, we're getting, it's coming together pretty nice. I got the tank. It's off at a painter being refurbished, repainted, that sort of thing. We think the thing's going to look really awesome when we get through with it, but we'll keep updating you on what's going on with it. And but anyway, that's it for now, you guys. I'll give you a good update on this zinc plating bath. You can see, well, here's a typical thing. We're replating. Okay, we have to get all the rust off of it. Blah blah blah. This one actually has some black paint on it, so it must have been used somewhere where there was black paint. But anyway, that's what we're doing. Rather than getting new parts, we're trying to replate these new nuts and bolts and stuff like that. We're just trying to replate them. That's it for now. Check you guys later.